Once you've built a gem in Gemini, you can share it with anyone, give them viewer access to use it, or editor access to help build on it. Here are the 2 ways to do it. Go to gemini.google.com, click on Gems in the left sidebar, then scroll down and find the gem you want to share. Click the share icon next to it. Type in the email address of the person you're sharing with, then choose their access level. Viewer means they can open and use the gem, but can't touch the instructions. Editor means they can use it and also change or delete it, so be careful with that one. You can also add a personal message, hit send, and they'll get an email with a direct link. If you want a quick shareable link instead, click share again, then change the general access from restricted to anyone with the link. Choose the role between viewer and editor, and this time choose copy link. Paste it anywhere, a message, an email, or a group chat. When someone receives a shared gem, it doesn't automatically appear in their sidebar. They need to open it and send at least one message. After that, it shows up under My Gems for them automatically. That's how you share gems, by giving specific people viewer or editor access, or using a quick link to paste anywhere. Shared gems are saved in Google Drive, and recipients get access as soon as they open them. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.